Here's a premium folding knife. Iru SG to Damascus. It's made with Japanese SG to Damascus steel. Hardness rated at HRC 61 to 63. Razor sharp with amazing edge retention. The bolster features Mock-Yum Gain crack. Unique and artistic patterns. The handle is neon lava ceramic carbon fiber. Lightweight, strong and eye-catching. As for the specs, overall length 189mm, blade length 81mm, and it weighs only 103 grams. Compact and practical, yet highly collectible. Iru SG to Damascus, not just a knife, but a true piece of art.